So we will focus animal head system. Like in thumb, you know that thumb is representing head. Yes, this top phalange is your face along with your head. And when you bend your thumb, it has animal head representation. As you know that we have evolved from horizontal posture from vertical posture. When we were walking in horizontal postures, our four extremities were touching the ground. And when we came and when we are standing now in present moment in vertical axis, so we are standing on legs and our arms are free. Okay, so we had these two kinds of posture. We have evolved from horizontal to vertical. So that is why you will see that in this head, in this thumb, you will see two representation of head. So this is very, very important system, animal head system. When you compare with human head, you will see that human head front side, this top is brain, but we couldn't treat from the back side because it has nail. Yes, and also it is big territory, front, back, left, right. But when you bend this like this, you can see on the wrinkle. Yes, here in this bending area you will see the wrinkles. So this wrinkles is also matching with the loops of the brain. So this similarity is very good. And this thumb animal head was very favorite system of Professor Park Jebu. And Professor Park Jebu wrote complete book on animal head, introducing tri-origin points on the animal head system. So this system is very good system, and this has its own benefit. When you compare this human head with the animal head, you will see that when you see the jaw area, this jaw area is a very small place. Okay, you couldn't reach 20, all 32 teeth, but in this animal head, this is very good exposure of jaw. Also, it has exposure of gums and teeth, very good exposure. Yes, so this is very good system to treat all brain diseases, face diseases, sense organ, eyes, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue also, yes, ears, and very sensitive area, very easy to find painful point in the system. And also just focus from the point of view of yin yang borderline. When you see when you see human head, then you see this side is yin yang borderline. Yes, side line. Yes, when you see this is yin yang borderline, and this is dividing front and back, yin and yang. But when you see animal head, then below the nose everything is yin. Yes, like this. So this is top is yang, top is this one, top is yang, and then below the nose is yin. So yin yang presentation is different. So down is yin. Okay, so when you see here, yes, this above this mouth is, this area is yang, and down is considered as yin. So we see this pattern of yin and yang in animal head. Yes, you should keep this thing in your mind that we in thumb we have double pattern of yin and yang. So animal head system, you can focus, this is animal and this is bending thumb. Okay, so yin yang borderline, just focus here. This is when you bend your thumb, yes, this above, this is yin area, this lower part is all yin. And also when you divide this is yin area. Now you see the chin, this chin in animal, this is towards the earth, yes, in bending posture. So this chin becomes yin in bending posture, yes, and this half part on the top and lower part uh, towards the earth. So in thumb, this lower part is yin in bending posture. Okay. And then you see this is concentrated brain. This is very small area, but all these wrinkles here, in this wrinkle area, you will find concentrated brain. And it is very easy to treat front, back, left, right on animal head. Yes, small area, but very effective area. So very good to treat and easy to find painful points. Professor Park Jae-woo explained this system from very fundamental point of view. Like in our Earth, there are two axes. Uh, okay, one is geographical axis and one is magnetic axis. Same way in our body also we have two axes. Uh, Participants, those who have done 6 key, they know that there is axis between Sahasrara chakra and Kundalini chakra. Yes, this is actually core meridian. And also in our body, there is one more axis. This is mouth to anus. Yes, like this is also vertical axis, but this is mouth to anus. Now in solar diamond, this is in solar diamond, there is a vertical core which is running between solar and Kundalini, but in lunar diamond, vertical core is running between mouth and anus. So this animal head represents this axis. Yes, this is very, very important. And this mouth to anus, this is very special meridian, and this Manus meridian. Professor Park Jae-woo gave name mouth to anus, Manus meridian. So this meridian is, this especially this name was given by Professor Park Jae-woo. And this animal system, this head system is also connected with Chinese meridian. Like in Chinese meridian, you see that CV meridian, yes, CV meridian is coming from down, yes, it is going down, from down to up, and it is ending here. And GV meridian from anus backside it is again coming up, 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 and then ending here. Yes, so CV is here and GV is here. Okay, so now when you study your level 2, you always see CV meridian coming until the tip of the thumb. Yes, you couldn't understand because CV meridian is finishing here in the chin area near in the mouth. Yes, it is finishing here. It goes then deep inside the mouth. So it is ending in mouth area. But you have seen the pictures, CV meridian coming until the tip of the thumb. Yes, but if you understand animal head system, why this line until the tip, you see, because according to animal head system, when you bend this is the mouth. Okay, this is the mouth. So CV meridian, you just see animal head. Okay, visualize animal head. So CV meridian is coming up, 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 up. Same way on hand also, CV meridian coming up, 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 and you bend this thumb, and here is animal head mouth, and then it is also ending here. You see here, and correct. So this is a reflection of animal head, which is explaining why this CV meridian is going until the tip of the thumb because of this animal head. And GV meridian is coming from the back side, anus area, yes, coming up, 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 and ending above this lip, yes, upper lip. So in animal head also, you can find this point. And in human hand also, you have this point. This is very good point for fainting above the lip, but this is special information that all students should know, that why CV meridian we study on the thumb until the tip. So this is based on the animal head. Okay, this information you should keep in your mind. As I told you that this was very favorite system of Professor Park Jae-woo, and he investigated this area, this animal head brain system in detail. And then he developed triorgan points. He after investigating, he found that there are very strong triorgan points here in the shape of lozenzo and square. So there is special book you should read. So here, this is very, very important information. Don't miss this animal head. Also, when you see this picture, you will find the area of teeth and the gums. So on the root, you see, exactly on the root of the nail, yes, this is very good area to treat the gums. And when you come on the top of the root, just nearby the root, this area is representing the teeth. Okay, so for gum area, you have to stimulate exactly root area, and for teeth, you have to stimulate the little bit up. Yes, so like this is skin level, this is skin, and here it is representation of teeth, and on the root, this is representation of gums, and this is teeth. Okay, and very good treatment in teeth diseases. If teeth are shaking, then you can give moxa in this area, yes, and then you can apply seeds. Very good result in this teeth diseases also. And and also aphasia, loss of speech. Then this point is very important. Loss of speech because of trauma. This point. Yes, this tip point. You have to like GV20 in this thumb. You will find this top point. So this is also like here, this area, this point. You can see this point. You can stimulate for loss of speech. This is very good result coming in this case. Also, this is very good. This animal head system is very good for the treatment of eyes. Yes, very good. And especially because from a human head point of view, if you see the thumb, yes, you are making eyes here. Okay, but just see from human head also, you will get this idea. Behind this is occipital area, and for eye disease, stimulation of occipital area is very good. So that is why in animal head, when you're stimulating the eye point, actually you are stimulating the occipital. From human head point of view, you are stimulating occipital area. Okay, so this occipital stimulation is very good for eye disease, very good. Yes, so also, if you want to go to exact tooth, you can divide this area as we have done in the class also. We can divide this area into 8, and then exactly you can go the area. You see, this is left upper jaw, left lower jaw, right upper jaw, and this is right lower jaw. So where is the problem? Accordingly, you can go to the area, stimulate that area, and on the skin level, if you stimulate, you are treating the teeth. And generally, it is good to stimulate gum. These points are very nearby. With the help of probe, if you stimulate this area, this is very sensitive area, and good. If gums are strong, then naturally teeth are also very strong. And for sinus problem, this is the best system, because of this bony area, these sinus cavities around eye is on bone. So instead of human head, give first priority to this animal head system. Okay, this is very good. And if there is a jaw lock, yes, jaw locking, then use animal head system, moxa and then seeds. This is very good in case of jaw locking. So when we talk about animal head, then this animal head is available on hand, and also it is available on your foot. So great effect is coming if you stimulate points diagonally. Yes, if you find painful point in left thumb, then very good to stimulate the point of right thumb also. So this is giving great effect. Yes, and if you find the painful point in the right animal head, then stimulate the point in the left big toe. So combine with left and right like this diagonal treatment. So this is very good effect is coming, very good effect, and strong energy is created. And ear, when you see this ear, yes, ear is also very good. uh, Here you can do good stimulation for ear disease, and especially for this eyes, especially for sinus, as I told you already. This is very, very important, and many treatment results people have experienced, because sinuses are located on the brain, and they have mucus. They have mucous membrane, and inflammation inside this cavity. It is you have to stimulate correct point, and you can get this point in animal head system. Yes, so standard is good also. Standard is also good, but it has flesh, more of flesh. But animal head is very good because bone is there and sinus sockets are here like bone. And very good to, in this disease, very good to apply green seed, because green seed has wind energy, and that is why it is very good for stagnation. Not only in this, but wherever you see stagnation, green seeds are very good. Okay, very good. And this, you know this. Okay. So this was information about animal head. And nail area. This thumb area is very special area. That is why nail is growing more. Okay. So if you want to change the energy, you can influence this point. These are very active point. And the tip of the thumb is most active point. Very, very active point. Tip of thumb. Yes. Nail is growing in this area very quickly. That is why it is very heteroactive energy. So treatment part, now you know that after understanding the point, result will come only when you are doing good treatment. You have to find that point, correct point. And after finding the point, painful point, you have to stimulate that area. Yes, you have to stimulate that area. And when the skin becomes warm, then you will put the seed. And don't miss this information. This is very, very important. And take for head diseases, for brain diseases, take this system as topmost priority. Okay, and then practical part we can do in our next session.